Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be making face cream as I've continued on in the journey of trying to go waste free. I haven't run out of anything else, so I'm just about to run out of face cream, and I'm also going to be making enough face cream that I can gift it as a waste free Christmas gift to my family. So in the face cream today, I'm just going to make the base of the face cream. Yeah, let's get stuck into it. Okay. So I was really lucky. Quite a while back, I bought this tub of organic, unrefined shea butter, and I think it was around 15 euros. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting in half a cup of this organic shea butter. It's even antibacterial, antifungal. It boosts collagen production, and it minimizes fine lines. So even before I've added any kind of essential oil or anything to this mix, I've already got my main base ingredients are so full with incredible healing properties, or even just properties that will really help the skin. I'm going to be including 1 tablespoon carrier oil. So this carrier oil has avocado oil and grapeseed oil mix in it, and I'm also going to include argan oil. That was a gift from my sister who lives in Morocco. And also vitamin E oil, which I will include. And then after that, you can add your different essential oils that allow you to change the, I guess, what the effectiveness of your moisturizer is for your needs. So here I have a double boiler, which is just a pot of water, and inside the pot of water I have a thick bowl that's already hot now. So that's going to heat up the shea butter so that it becomes more liquefied. So I'm just going to add the shea butter in. And now to the shea butter, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the carrier oil, which in my case is a mixture of avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and I think maybe a little bit of mineral oil. So that's 1 tablespoon. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of argan oil. I don't have it on the heat anymore. I'm just simply stirring. There's enough heat with the water underneath, and the bowl is hot enough that it's just melting. So that is completely mixed in, and so now I'm going to add the essential oils, and the essential oils that I'm choosing. So I'm choosing some essential oils that are going to help with anti-aging. So that's going to be Frankincense Oil and Myrrh Oil. Myrrh, I think that's how you say it. And I'm also going to go with Sandalwood and Lavender, and that's because I am looking at helping with the oily skin and the parts of my skin that's not so oily, so they're going to help with that. So they're a good kind of an in-between oil that helps both oily and dry. So yeah, frankincense, lavender, myrrh and sandalwood, and I'm just going to put 5 drops of each. So now I'm just going to pour it into the jar that I've upcycled and repurposing for my face cream. So in it goes, and it is the perfect amount. Oh man, if you could smell it. Oh yes. The good stuff. So once I'd made my own batch, I tested it, and I noticed that once it solidified without using an emulsifier, it was more like a balm. It's ideal as a night cream. I then went ahead and I purchased some jars from my local health food store, brown glass jars, and I filled them with the face balm, face cream. And I included in my gifts this year, I included a logo which I came up with. I thought about names for the handmade products that I've been making, and I really kind of went with Daily Goodness, because everything inside them is total goodness. So yeah, so this is how this gift looked when I had finished it and it was ready to go. I'm ready to give it to my friends and my family who are here in Ireland. Those who are overseas will have to wait till another Christmas maybe. In any case, I'm really happy. I am going to look into adding an emulsifier to make it more like a cream rather than a balm. So then I'll have a day cream, and I can also have a night balm, night cream. So my next video, I'm going to be talking about the things that I just don't use anymore or purchase anymore, and some of the things that I've substituted instead. And all the best to everyone. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.